Hey y'all, iRix Guy here, and this is how to detach and attach DJI Air 2S propellers. So what I'm going to do is take them off for starters here. So you just gently push and twist. Same with this side here. Gently push and twist. And what I want to show you, and this isn't immediately obvious, because one might look at these propellers and say, oh, they're the same. You know, they both got orange tips. They do. But what you want to look at is this middle part. See that orange? And then this does not have orange, it's just black. And if you look at the top of this propeller, it's got an orange stripe. This is just solid black. So the one that has the orange middle nipple, you stick in the orange thing and then you gently twist. And I recommend having this on a hard and flat surface when you do this. And again, just to re-demonstrate, just a gentle push down and twist to remove, and just a gentle push down and twist to attach. And the same goes for this. Again, this is black in the middle, that's black, solid black, doesn't have any orange on it. So black, black, orange, orange. So it's really nice. And what's really nice about this, no tool required. You know, some drones you've got to use a little small screwdriver. This is a toolless design. And it goes without saying, the rear end, it's the same. It's got an orange one and a black one. So again, just to recap, make sure the middle of your propeller, if it has an orange circle, that it goes with the motor that has the orange stripe. And likewise, the one that does not have the orange circle goes with the motor that does not have the orange mark. It's that simple. I hope this video helped. If it did, be sure to subscribe and ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. And if you're shopping for the DJI Air 2S, the accessories, or maybe another drone, expand this video's description and then click the link there. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Fly safely. Hey y'all, Captain iRix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/iRix Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.